If you've thought about account-based marketing or run across account-based marketing or a go-to-market strategy out in the media that you're consuming and been wondering if it was a good fit for your organization, this workshop is an ideal opportunity to figure out if account-based marketing is for you, and if so, exactly how.
Everyone has target accounts they want to go after. This really gives everybody the opportunity to customize a plan specific to them, to their company, to their industry, and really learn from soup to nuts how to make it happen.
Well, I'm excited to sit down with their sales team. I think it's important when I get back to my desk today, I want to just meet with them, share my notes. You know, there's such a meaty portion on digital marketing, on sales and marketing, how we can create that relationship. So I'm excited to create a strategy. Now that we have a framework, but walking away today with that framework, we're ready to utilize that and come up with a game plan with the sales team.
I think that workbook is going to be what proves to be valuable because it's something I can refer back to.
How the workbook, it really builds on different concepts. And I think that also leads to being very actionable for us to take something back rather than attending something, having a lot of information come into our brains and then us not remembering. Having something that's actionable is invaluable.
But just hearing from other companies and getting validation that the concerns that they have are our concerns as well, but also just learning that, you know, from the brand strategy side, everybody's concerned, everyone thought they were unique.
If you're thinking about implementing an account-based marketing program, you usually have to stick your neck out pretty far to get that budget authorized or to get that program off the ground. You're going to want to do everything you can to ensure success with that account-based marketing program. That means getting in a group with outside people and putting together a strategy that really will encompass tactics and ideas that might not occur to you inside the office.